Hello everyone, WebTech here. In this video, we will talk about what is programming, why you should learn programming, and last, how you're gonna learn programming. So further ado, let's get started. What is programming? There are countless definitions of what computer programming is. But in my opinion, programming is how you get computers to solve problems. Without the programmer, the computer is useless. When you create a program for your computer, you give it a set of instructions which it will run on at a time in order. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about why you should learn programming. Learning programming can be beneficial for several reasons. One, in-demand skill. Programming is an in-demand skill in today's job market, and many industries are looking for individuals with programming skills. 2. Problem solving. Programming requires critical thinking and problem-solving skills which can help you in your personal and professional life. Third, automation. Programming can automate repetitive tasks, making your work more efficient and productive. For instance, you can automate data entry, data analysis, and report generation, among other things. 4. Creativity. Programming is an excellent way to unleash your creativity. You can create unique software applications, games, websites, and other digital products that can have a significant impact on people's lives. Learning programming can also improve your communication skills. By working on coding projects with others, you will learn how to communicate effectively and collaborate with team members to achieve a common goal. So, at the end, learning programming can be an enriching and fulfilling experience that can lead to career opportunity, problem-solving skills, automation, creativity, and better communication skills. So now you are clear why should you learn programming language. So now we are going to talk about how you're going to learn. Learning a programming language can seem daunting, but with the right approach, anyone can do it. Here are some steps you can take to learn a programming language. 1. Choose a programming language. Well, there are many programming languages out there, each with its strengths and weakness. Choose a language that fits your needs and interests. 2. Find a good learning source. There are many sources available for learning programming, including books, online courses, and video tutorials. Choose a help that fits your learning style and level of experience. 3. Practice, and practice. The best way to learn a programming language is to practice writing code. Start with small programs and work your way up to more complex ones. 4. Join a community. Joining a community of programmers can be a great way to learn from others, get feedback on your code, and stay motivated. Look for online forums, meetups, and coding groups in your area. 5. Build a project. Once you have a good understanding of the language, try building a project on your own. This will give you hands-on experience and help you apply your knowledge. 6. Keep learning. Programming languages are constantly evolving, so it's essential to keep learning and staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Remember that learning a programming language takes time and effort, but with persistence and dedication, you can do it. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you with another video. Till then, goodbye.